Good morning. Okay, we are going to be making a folder and saving the files for our decades research project so that we have them all in one place. So to create a file folder on your home screen, I'm just going to right click with the mouse and then click on New Folder. And since this is for my decades research, I'm just going to call it decades. Okay, so I'm going to rename it. And I can do that just by clicking in here. So I can just click in on the name, and if I hang out there for a minute, it's going to go like this. And then I can clear this out and type in whatever I want to. Okay, so now that I have my folder there, I'm going to come back over to my module, and I can start saving these files now. So I'm just going to start with day 1, and I'm going to download the directions. So I'm going to click on those to download. Now I can do this a couple of ways. I can open it up and save it, or I can go to my downloads folder and I can right click and copy. Hang on, my recorder is blocking my screen here. I can come on over to my folder and open this folder, and I can right click and paste. Okay. So you can save it in here a few ways. I can download it, and then I'm going to have to click on Enable Editing and do my file Save As. If I go this way, I'm going to have to browse, and I'm going to have to find it. Okay, so I'm going to find it. It's going to be on my desktop, the folder. There it is, Decades. Now, since I already have it in here, I'm not going to save it again, but I can go that route to save it, or I can just go to Downloads and File and Save. Okay, so let me do a couple more because we want to save all of these. Okay, so I am going to I'm going to come back over to modules here. Okay, so I'm just going to go to day 2. I'm going to save all of these files right now just so I have them. And you can do them day to day if you want to. It just makes me feel good to have them all here. Let me click on Student View. I don't think it looks too much different. No, oh, it's not published, so it's not going to let me. It's not going to let me right now. It shouldn't look too different. Okay, so again, I'm going to click on it to download. And I can either open it up and save it from here, or I can go over to my downloads folder, and there's my day 2 right here. So again, I'm going to click on that. I'm going to right click, I'm going to copy, and then I'm going to, I can go from here, I can go to my desktop and go to Decades and right click and paste. Okay, so now I have day 2. And I'm going to keep going like that. So I'm going to go back over to my modules. And day 3 and 4 are together. I'm going to click on that. Click, I'll do this one from the PowerPoint. Okay. So if I'm going to save it from the PowerPoint, again, I'm going to click on Enable Editing. I need to do that. File, Save As, Browse. And remember, you can pause this recording as much as you need to. I'm going to go to Desktop because I have my folder on my desktop. There's my folder right there, Decades. And then Save. And I can rename them if I want to. I'm just going to leave them as is. Okay, that one's saved. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, 2 or 3 more to go. 5 and 6. So I'm going to click on this. Click. And I can do it from here, or I can go to my downloads folder. Here's my day 5 and 6. I'm going to click on that. Right click. Copy. Desktop. Decades. Right click. Paste. Okay, so I think there's, what, 2 more files to go, so we're going to keep going that same way. I'm going to do these kind of quickly here, these last 2. Alright, so I have my slide deck, my download. I'll save this one from the downloads folder, and then the last one, let's see. Downloads folder. I'm going to click on right click slide deck, copy, desktop, decades, right click and paste. And then last one, I don't know why I was rushing Canvas there, resources, right click, or I'm sorry, click, download, open. I'll save this one directly from the PowerPoint. Enable editing. File. Save as. Browse. And again, I want to go to my desktop. I saved my file on my desktop. Desktop. Decades. Save. Okay, so let me just count my files and make sure we have all the files we need from our resources. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should have 6 files. So if I go back over to my decades, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6 files. Okay, so make sure you have all of those files saved. If you need to pause and go back and watch the video, that is fine. And then we can move on to the next step.